In this tutorial today, we'll be solving for the value of x in this equation. And it reads that 2x raised to 2 equals 8. Now, you bring 2x raised to 2 equals 8. Now, the first thing first is to eliminate 2, okay, which is the coefficient of what? X squared. So, and since the sign of operation between 2 and x squared is multiplication, so you divide. You divide by 2, then this cancel out this. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. We are left with what? 4 raised to 2 equals, x raised to 2 equals 4. Now, in wherever you have this case like this, always ensure the next thing is to square root both sides. Now you have x raised to the power of 2, we square root it, then equals. Now when you are doing same to 4, all you just need to do is to ensure that you include your plus and minus, then 4. So this root here eliminates this exponent. So, and here the root of 4 is 2. So our x equals plus or minus 2, which implies that x is either 2 or x is negative 2. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.